Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify order can't be shipped to your location. So first, you may want to head over to your Shopify admin page and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on settings, then click on shipping and delivery. Next, we're just going to start by clicking on create a custom profile. So from here, you can start giving this profile a name, also add in products, then click on add shipping zone. So from here, just make sure that you check all the countries that you want your products or items to be shipped at. So say for example, we're going to select this all and we can name this zone as international. Then once done, proceed by clicking on done. So once everything is set in this page, you can also add rate if you want. You can just proceed by clicking on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!